Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. This is a PowerPoint presentation slide. It looks nice, it has its own effect. I hope you like it. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to insert a slide as always. In the slide, we need to create these two shapes. But the important thing is that we have some shapes in the slide that are not visible. So I'm going to create them at first. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Now I'm going to create these two triangles. This is also very pretty easy to create them. Just create one by holding shift, rotate it, then just simply put it here and create a copy of that and just flip it. Now select both of them and align them in the center. You see, the problem is that they are not aligned at the center, so you need to align them at the center the way you want. Okay, I think it's good. Now, select all of them, go to shape format and set the outline to none. We are going to create them white and the background is going to be black because we are going to change something. But you see, for people, the background black is not going to look well. So I'm going to use them as white, these two, and after that I'm going to white these two. No, you understand, these two need to be black. Why? You're going to understand in the later. So we format the background, but before that we need to have these two text. Paste one here, okay, and send them to back. We need to hide this shape. Okay, we hide it perfectly, but the color is a problem. The color of that is going to be white. So we select them, go to shape format, and you see you can say the text field to be white. And also we have another text here that is going to be white. Now I'm going to format the background and set it to black. Then copy this slide. Set the background to black again. Then now, if we bring this out, it's like they are coming from nowhere. And as you can see, it's look perfect. Now let's take a look with the transition morph. You see, it's like they are coming from nowhere and it's pretty amusing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.